Let's go to the site by running this command. Okay, this is the active listing page. This is the all of the listing page, and we can see the closed listing here, and this is the categories page. Let's see what we have in devil fruits. We can click on any of the categories, but let's go to devil fruits for now. We have 4 devil fruits here. Let's add another one. To add, we have to log in. We go to the login page and enter our credentials, and we are now logged in, and we can see the create option over there. Let's add another entry. Sarah know me. Put a price tag and copy the description, then copy the image. You can put anything here. Choose the category as devil fruit, and then hit the create button, and it redirects us to the active listing page, and we can see our listing here because the status is now open, and this is the price tag, and this is the date created, which and we can click on the view button, or we can click on the title to go to the listing page. Here we can see that we have an add to watch list button. If we click on this, we get remove from watch list button, and we can remove it, and we can add it again. If we go to the watch list page, we can see that it is added to our watch list. So now go back to the item, and we have a close auction button, but we will not close it now. Let's add a comment. Please buy this item. Okay, we will comment it. Let's log in as another user and see. So we are logged in as gun seller, and let's bid on the item. If we try to put a amount less than the starting price, we get an error, bid update failed, price too low. So let's put a higher amount, really high. Okay, bid placed successfully. All right, and we can see the comment by Tarun, and we can also add another comment. I am buying this item. Okay, so the comments are here. Okay, so the last bid placed by gun seller. Let's go back to the Tarun and close this auction and see what happens. If we go to the item, and it also says here bid amount and last placed by, and these are the comments. If we close the auction, it is now closed, status is closed. If we go to active listing page, the item doesn't show anymore. If you go all listing, then the item shows as status closed. If we go back to gun seller, we should see that we have won. Let's check. Okay, so active listing, it's not here. If we go to all of the listing page, we go to this. Okay, so it says congratulations, you have won the auction. These are the comments, and we forgot to add it to watch list anyway. All right, so this is the site, and we can go to admin page to see what's happening here. We can add or create. Okay, so let's go to this item. Previously we saw that we closed the auction, right? Now let's open it again from here. If we put the status as true, we should see that the item status is open now again. All right, so this is working, and another person can place bid on it. Yeah, we can place more bid. Okay, bid updated successfully. All right, so this was our site.